Hello guys, Ravi here, and here is a quick unbox of wireless USB adapter. And I've bought this product from Amazon India for 439 bucks Indian rupees, and I will give you a detail about this before unboxing it. So let's check out. It has 6 dB antenna and 150 Mbps megabyte per second, 2.4G network connection, and USB 2.0 Wi-Fi certification saying and software AP. So, and it is around 800 rupees. I've get this for I just tell you, I get it for 439. It is so cheap of price rate. So let's open it. Let's me open. So here is a CD to set up this small CD drive, and here is this antenna USB. I got it, and let me keep aside everything. And here is this. So here is the branding EDU, and it is Wi-Fi certification, everything. So it is very, we can move it's like a router having. So now we're gonna set up this. So we have to install this CD in our PC. So I've already installed this. We are plugging in this inside our USB 2.0, and it start blinking the light, and you can see that my internet connection box has been transmitted into a Wi-Fi. If you are in, and it is my Wi-Fi connection, it is connected. Suppose you have installed Windows 10 in your PC, so no need of installing this CD. It will adapt everything because Windows 10 has already installed the software inbuilt, so no need of installing this. Suppose you need, then you can install this. So that is, guys, enough for this video. You like my video, so you subscribe my channel